How to connect PS5 to TV. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to connect PS5 to TV. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, insert one end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI output port on the back of the PlayStation, and then insert the other end into HDMI port on your TV. 4K 120Hz gaming performance is available when the HDMI cable is connected to the HDMI in for port with a game icon. Note, support for 4K 120Hz may vary depending on the model. Now, insert the power cable into the AC in connector on the back of the PlayStation and then insert the power plug into an electrical outlet. Next, turn your TV and PlayStation on. Press the home button on your TV's remote and then select your PlayStation from the source menu. Note that some models may have different connection methods between the game console and TV. So this is how you can connect PS5 to TV. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.